The robot controller kit includes an EtherCAT 6-axis master controller, 4 microstepping drives, and a 16-channel input-output module. This video showcases an advanced conveyor tracking system powered by an EtherCAT-based control architecture integrated with a high-speed 4-axis Delta robot. At the core of the setup is the EtherCAT master controller, which enables deterministic, real-time communication and precise synchronization across all devices. The Delta robot, optimized for high-speed pick-and-place operations, tracks a moving path on the conveyor with exceptional accuracy. At the core of the system is the ETXR41K111CRBT, a high-performance EtherCAT robot controller designed for real-time synchronization and industrial-grade precision. It supports flexible motion planning, seamlessly transitioning between constant and variable conveyor speeds, and handles both circular to inline and inline to circular flows with real-time tracking in radians. In high-volume manufacturing, every millisecond matters. Meeting today's demand for speed and precision requires intelligent coordination between motion and robotic control. Linear tracking, also known as variable tracking, comes in, enabling robots to interact with moving objects in real time. From packaging lines to electronic assembly, linear tracking powers automation across industries, wherever speed, accuracy, and timing matter. Reduced cycle time, no need for stop-start movement, higher throughput and productivity. In high-volume production lines, like those in bottle cap manufacturing, every second and every rotation matters. To meet demand without compromising precision, manufacturers rely on circular tracking. This technique monitors items as they move along a rotating path, such as a rotary table used for cap assembly, inspection, or sorting. Up to 40% faster cycle times, up to 30% fewer motion interruptions, 0 missed picks, even at full line speed. Taiwan Pulse Motion inspire new automation.